you find yourself torquing your arm while you're doing the drill at speed with the poi, slow it down and go back to the Poilates. Now, the reason I call this Poilates is because if you've done Pilates, you'll know that a lot of it is based on the powerhouse muscles across here. So if you can imagine your muscles between your two hip bones smiling, they're coming together, they're contracting, they're forming a smile so that you pull in and up to support your core. This is what we're looking to do while we're doing these motions, and we're going to power it more from those muscles than from the shoulder to help protect injury. Now, even if I'm looking forward, you'll notice my hips are still opening. And if you can't see that with my, if you can't see that from that angle, I'll show you from this angle so that you can see my body is still opening at the hip to create that motion and the momentum. This will give you more power. This will also create less fatigue, and it will prevent injury in the shoulder, which is what we want. I've seen people actually cause some serious damage by not using form like this. And if you have a pre-existing injury in the shoulder, which may happen the older you get, the more likely you are to have injury, it's just a good way to protect yourself.